Nicole and Ross have discovered a soulmate in each other, and most of us dream of journeying through life with that special person who knows how to make us smile, help us believe in ourselves, to hold us close and treasure us always. Because marriage is a promise made in the hearts of two people who love each other. But it is a commitment that takes a lifetime to fulfill.
I promise to ride off into the sunset with you on that uncomfortable seat in the tractor, even after you say, just one more paddock. Ross, I love you with my whole heart, and I can't wait for our next adventure to come in the future.
We're gathered here today in this beautiful and peaceful setting, and in the presence of family and friends, to celebrate one of life's greatest moments.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes.
To give recognition to the worth and beauty of love, and to add our best wishes and blessings to the words which shall unite Nicole and Ross in marriage.
I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
Within the circle of its love, marriage encompasses all of life's other and most important relationships. A wife and husband are each other's lover, teacher, listener, critic, and most importantly, best friend. They told me they've been together almost 10 years, so it's probably time, isn't it? Yeah. And that they first met while they were still at high school. They initially got chatting on Facebook together until Ross asked Nicole to go to the movies. And that was the beginning of their long and enjoyable relationship.
First time around.
I've noticed I've been getting an increasing amount of shit about occasionally running late. Believe it or not, there was this one time. It happened to be on our first date where I was actually on time. My first time taking Nicole out, let alone potentially meeting her parents, and I was bloody nervous. I stood there for what seemed like half an hour, was probably just shy of 2 minutes, then left thinking I'd been stood up. Just about got home and Nicole texts, "Did you knock at the door?" Soz, I was in the shower, lol. So don't you go giving me shit about being late.
Now, wedding is a time of joy and fun, but it is a time too when our thoughts inevitably turn to those people who cannot be with us today, and especially those who have left this life.
Ross, I promise to always love and support you, to be there with you with every decision you make in life, good or bad, and to be by your side for the rest of our lives. You're my best friend and the one person I can always count on to make me smile. You make me laugh and you make me happy every single day, even when I'm angry.
Above you are the stars, and below you are the stones. As time passes, remember, like a star, should your love be constant. And like the earth, should your love be firm. But your family is a circle of love and of strength. And with each birth and every union, that circle continues to grow. Each joy shared adds more love into that circle. And every obstacle faced together makes that circle even stronger.
Nicole, I love you. I will be by your side and always love who you are, as well as the person you grow to be. I can't wait to start this new and exciting venture with you.
In the presence of your families and friends, and by the powers vested in me, it's my great honour and absolute privilege to pronounce you husband and wife, and you may seal it with a kiss.
It's our privilege to welcome Ross into our family, and Nicole, you found a nice, honest and hard-working man.
Ross is a top bloke and would do anything for anyone, even if they don't like green tractors.
I think if Dad was here, he would have told you something along the lines of, when you're wrong, admit it, and when you're right, just shut up.
Love each other. Say it, show it, every chance you get, and always honour each other. Each of you is unique, but together you can do wonderful things. So cherish each other and always place your life together first.